What is up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the ASUS Arion NVMe drive. I chose this drive because it looks really cool, and the enclosure is actually pretty robust. Like, it has a lot of weight to it, so and you see that after I install it. So what I'm going to show you is a very simple install. It went fairly well, except there is one pretty simple but crucial detail. I'll show you that when I get to that part. And it's a mistake that I made, and hopefully because I made it, you can avoid it. I also chose the Samsung Evo Plus 2TB drive because I have several of these in my computer, and I generally like the quality and performance. If I'm spending this much money on an enclosure, then I want to make sure my data too is stored on the best of the best hardware. What I didn't show in this video is how to pop on the rubber protector, which actually comes with this, or the lanyard. And I figured this is the easiest part of the whole install, so people would or should generally know how to do such things. But I might be wrong. The world surprises me nowadays, especially when people can't tell what a woman is. So once you open the box, you'll find the drive, some sort of lanyard that lets you hook the device to a backpack or somewhere on your desk. And like I said, there's a rubber bumper as well. So you see here, after going through the quick setup guide and the install, there's that lanyard I'm holding there in my hand, and then on the bottom there's this rubber thing that goes around the drive. There's also this this key that's similar to the one you use to open their SIM card area for your phone. If your phone does that, you push it in and you pop it open, and then there's the instruction manual. I always read the instruction manual. However, there's that important detail that like I said, I had neglected to read. So it's actually right there on the screen right now. So if folks are attentive, feel free to comment and take a guess in terms of where I made a royal screw up. But anyway, so let's see what I'm going to do in the next several steps. So that's the rubber protector that goes around the drive, like so. Here's the different cables. So I did not get the light version. I got the full version, which includes all the different USB cables. So USB-C to C to A, all of these. There's the manual. So here we go. There's that very crucial part. So I'm consulting the manual, and this is the part where you need to pay special attention to. So notice how the screw has a notch. When installing the NVMe, you need to make sure that the curved edge of the NVMe sits between the slots of the screw, kind of like what I'm showing here on the video. You take the push key. You put it in the hold of Arion, and the cover should pop right off. There you go. The cover is off, and you see the thermal pads on the right-hand side, those gray pads. Sticker off. This is where the NVMe would go. You can unscrew that. You can flip the push key using the head of it to unscrew it, get it going, or a Phillips screwdriver would probably do. You can see right there, it shows you how to install properly. So it actually has been shown several times. I'm just being an idiot and a klutz. So we're going to try to open this Samsung 2TB NVMe drive. Looking for my trusty knife and trying to open this without cutting myself or damaging the drive. You can see I'm not that good with opening stuff because I'm too broke to buy a lot of stuff to do unboxing. Alright, embarrassing myself here on YouTube. Yes, there you go, genius. Alright, come on, get it open. So if I were paying attention and I were smart, we're like 60-70% done here. I just need to match up that notch where my finger is with the notch in the screw. But of course, I'm such a genius that I don't read the instruction, and I am going to proceed to put the screw in the hard way. So just make sure the screw on the right hand side, you see that notch is pretty prominent. Didn't pay attention to that little detail. So remember, pay attention to that. Consulting the menu again, but didn't pay attention to details, so I'm going to screw up. And you see what happens after I screw up. Anyone want to take a guess in the comments below in terms of what will happen if you don't put in the screw correctly? Yeah, I was struggling a bit to try to seat the NVMe in correctly, so it is a little hard to push, but you know, you can get it done. And then here's the big screw up. There we go. So I'm just trying to get the screw to go in a bit before I probably going to take the head of the push key and tighten it once I get this going. Yeah, it's kind of difficult too when you're trying to hold it down. I think my job would have been easier again if I had done it correctly, because then you don't have all this like pressure pushing back up on the screw. But because I did it wrong, there's a lot of like pressure from probably the NVMe drive pushing back up on the screw. And it is kind of difficult. The key is really small, so as you can see here, I'm just kind of struggling turning the thing. Figure out how to do it. I think I might have used a screwdriver eventually. I don't know. It's just a little tough trying to turn that thing with the little key, because there's so much pressure pushing back up on the drive. That should have been a clue, by the way, that I did something wrong. Yes, I feel like I'm a genius, except I'm not. Because once I put this on, you'll see what happens. There you go. Alright, genius. And the lid won't close. We've been fussing around with the lid a few times, trying to figure out why. Why isn't the lid closing? This doesn't make sense. What the hell? Doesn't make sense. What's going on? Oh no. So now you guys won't won't be an idiot and you won't be making this mistake. I'm gonna fuss around with it quite a bit. You guys can skip forward to the end to see the end results of this if you want. If not, you can have a good laugh, watch me, fuddle with this. Yeah, it's tough, man. Damn it. Won't close. Why won't this lid close? No! Why don't it close? Close, damn it! Fuck. Pop it open, do it all over again. No! And I think my GoPro is falling off my head. It's horrible. Yes. Everything seems to match up, but it just won't close. Can't figure out why. Even though the answer's staring at me. Staring at me right there. Oh man, I still can't figure it out. Shoot, what is wrong? Oh, there you go. The screw, the notch. Oh my god. Oh no, gotta do it again. This sucks. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna do it again, but I'm gonna save you the trouble. I'm not gonna show it. But you guys get the idea now. And then after you do it, this is what happens. You get this really nice drive. It's RGB and it's nice and shiny. So anyway, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So hope you guys have less trouble doing this. Peace out.